Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about string replacement. How can we replace an old string or substring with a new string or substring? So let's understand this replace function. It replaces the old string with a new string, or we can say, as I have told you, that we can replace an old substring also with a new substring. And for that we use replace function. So let's have a syntax str1 dot replace old, new, and match. So this is the complete syntax for writing replace function. Here replace is the function name. Old, new, and match are its parameters. Okay. And str1 is a variable name which is holding a string. Now, what is old parameter? This is saying that old string to be changed. Here we'll mention the string which needs to be replaced with a new one. And my new parameter is going to contain the string to be placed in place of this old one. And max is going to contain number of occurrences to be replaced. That means, for example, in a sentence, a word is appearing 6 number of times. And I want to replace the word at 4 places only, at first 4 places. So I will mention over there 4, so that at 4 places only the changes will take place. The last 2 places will remain untouched. So that's why we mention over here max. How many maximum number of times you want to replace your string? At how many places it will take change? For example, str1 is equal to, this is cold coffee cup. So I'm going to change over here this cold word with hot one. Okay. So I'll be writing it in this way, str1 dot replace, as replace is my function name and str1 is the variable name which is holding a string. And inside replace function, I'm not passing all 3 parameters, but I'm passing only 2 parameters because the third parameter is an optional. We can write it also, and if we omit, then also my replace function will work perfectly. But without these 2 parameters, it can't function because I need to choose that which word are you going to replace and by which word are you going to make a replacement. So once I'll run it, I'll get this result. So cold word has been replaced with the new hot word. Another example, str1 is equal to, this is cold coffee cup and is very tasty. Now here I want to replace this is with was. That means this present tense I want to change into past tense. Okay. So I'll be writing it in this way. str1 dot replace is, which I'm going to replace, was, by which I'm going to replace this old one, and to. That means at 2 places only the change will happen. And once I press enter, this will be the result. Now it is looking different. Why? Because if we see this is, because is word is also a combination of is. And if we check this word, this is again a collection of this. So here also my is word is extracted and is replaced with was. That's why it is appearing it in this way. thwas in place of this. And next word is, it is straightforward, replaced with was. And because we have mentioned here 2 number of occurrences, that's why this is remain untouched. That means the change did not take place here. It took place at 2 places itself. So we can understand this with the help of an example. Let's move on. Let's say A is equal to, I'm writing one string. This is Python string class and this is good. Any string I have taken. Now I want to replace is with was. Now we can check it. How does it work? So I'm writing a dot replace. A is the variable name which is holding this complete string. Replace is a function. Now I need to write that is I want to replace with was, right? And third parameter I'm not writing at all. So what will happen? wherever is word appears has been changed with new substring was. As you can see, THWAS, because this was Python string class, and THWAS again was good. So nowhere is word is left in my string. Everywhere it is replaced with was. Because I did not mention over here how many number of occurrences are going to be placed. Okay. Similarly, if I write over here, comma, 2, then it will take place in this way. Now, as you can observe that these two words are untouched, unchanged. Okay. And first two occurrences are changed because I have mentioned over here 2. Now, similarly, if I'll mention here 3, then it will happen in this way. So 1, 2, and 3. At 3 places, the change is done. So this is how my replace function works. Now I have given you an example that inside my replace function, I can directly pass the string, but I can pass the variable also over there. Like if I say old is equal to is and new is equal to was. So how can I pass the statement? I can write over here old is going to be replaced with new, and at how many places? 3 places. Then also it is going to give me the same result as earlier. So in place of these 3 parameters, I can either use a variable name which is holding old string and new string, or I can directly pass my string in double quotes or single quotes. In any way I can work. And if I don't mention these occurrences, then everywhere in the whole string it will take place. So we have learned that how can we replace the old string with the new one, or the old substring with the new substring. So I guess this is enough. I will come with more information in my next video. Keep watching, keep practicing. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.